Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Still using Windows 7, 8, 8.1, or still on an old version of macOS 10.12 to 10.14? Well, one of the browsers that still is supported is Firefox. And Firefox basically every 6 months reevaluates if they should extend more or not. So the latest extended support version 1.15 was good until September, and now today Mozilla has announced another 6 months. So if you are on Windows 7, 8, 8.1, on macOS 10.12 to 20.14, you are getting another 6 months until March of 2026, which once again, I guess is going to be where they're going to analyze and check out if they give another 6 months. So they're basically going at it 6 months at a time. It is extremely, extremely important in a unsupported version of an operating system to have a browser that has security updates and that is as good and as secure as possible. So the reason why Firefox still does it, it seems that there's enough user base for that. So they are going to continue as long as the numbers for them is something interesting enough. I guess this is where they're going to extend more and more. So up to March of 2026 for the extended support version 1.15 of Firefox for Windows 8, 8.1, and for Windows 7, and macOS 10.12 to 10.14. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.